Here you will get the solution of Integral Calculus Lalji Prasad, Chapter 1, Some Standard Forms, Exercise 1A, question number 20. Question is, integration of cos theta minus cos 2 theta upon 1 minus cos theta into d theta. You see the solution? I is equal to integration of cos theta minus cos 2 theta upon 1 minus cos theta into d theta. So in next step, we have written integration of cos theta minus 2 cos square theta plus 1 upon 1 minus cos theta into d theta. Because we know the formula of cos 2 theta, so we have just written here. And in next step, we can write it as integration of cos theta minus cos square theta minus cos square theta plus 1 upon 1 minus cos theta. We have just written 2 cos square theta like this. So in next step, what we have done, we have just written 1 here in the place of cos square theta, and in the place of 1 we have written minus cos square theta. So you can see here integration of cos theta minus cos square theta plus 1 minus cos square theta. So it will be in the form of a square minus b square upon 1 minus cos theta into d theta. So in next step, what we have written, we have taken common cos theta here. So it will be 1 minus cos theta plus, it will be 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta into d theta. So in next step, we have taken 1 minus cos theta common from both the term. So it is 1 minus cos theta into cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta into d theta. So here 1 minus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta will be cancelled out. So it will be, the rest of the part will be this. It will be 2 cos theta plus 1. So here we have integrated both the term. This is 2 cos theta, integration of, we have put 2 out of the integration. So it is 2 into integration of cos theta into d theta plus integration of d theta. So this is the answer. I is equal to 2 sin theta plus c. This is the answer.